Welcome to Trendster.
The United States and China, the world's two most powerful nations, are locked in a fierce rivalry. Both dominate the global stage in economics, technology, and military strength. But who truly holds the upper hand? In this deep dive, we'll compare their economic power, technological advancements, and military capabilities with facts and figures. Let's get started. The United States has long been the world's largest economy, but China is catching up fast. Let's break it down. GDP and economic growth. United States. As of 2024, the US GDP stands at approximately $26 trillion, making it the largest economy in the world. China follows closely with a GDP of around $18 trillion but has experienced faster economic growth in recent decades. China's average annual GDP growth rate over the past 20 years has been around 6-7%, compared to the US's 2-3%. Trade and manufacturing. The US is primarily a service-based economy, with finance, healthcare, and technology contributing the most. China is the world's largest manufacturer, producing over 30% of global goods and leading in exports. In 2023, China exported $3.6 trillion worth of goods, while the US exported around $2.1 trillion. Debt and financial stability. The US national debt exceeds $34 trillion, increasing concerns over long-term financial sustainability. China's biggest challenge is its real estate crisis, with property giants like Evergrande collapsing, creating instability in its banking system. China also holds $800 billion in US debt, giving it financial leverage over America. The US still leads in overall economic size and global financial influence, but China's rapid industrial growth and global investments, such as the Belt and Road Initiative, make it a formidable competitor. Technology is the backbone of modern power, and both nations are investing heavily in innovation. Let's see who's ahead. Artificial intelligence and 5G. The US leads in AI development, with companies like Google, OpenAI, and Meta pioneering breakthroughs in machine learning. China is the largest investor in AI, with companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent advancing facial recognition, surveillance, and automation. In 5G technology, China is the global leader, with over 2.8 million 5G base stations, compared to the US's 100,000. Semiconductors and chip war. The US dominates semiconductor manufacturing through companies like Intel, Nvidia, and AMD. However, China is aggressively expanding its semiconductor industry, with $143 billion invested to become self-sufficient in chip production. The US has restricted China's access to advanced chips, impacting companies like Huawei and SMIC. Space and aerospace technology. The US leads space exploration with NASA, SpaceX, and Blue Origin, successfully landing reusable rockets and planning manned missions to Mars. China's CNSA is quickly advancing, landing a rover on Mars in 2021 and building its own Tiangong space station. Both countries are racing to establish a permanent presence on the Moon by 2030. The US still leads in software, space, and advanced computing, but China is closing the gap, especially in AI, telecommunications, and automation. Military power is not just about numbers, it's about strategy, technology, and global influence. Let's compare their military might. Defense budget. The US has the world's largest military budget at $877 billion in 2023, more than the next 10 countries combined. China's defense budget stands at around $292 billion, but its spending has tripled over the past 2 decades. Naval and air power. Aircraft carriers. The US has 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, providing unmatched global military reach. China has 3 aircraft carriers, with plans to build more by 2030. Naval strength. China has the largest navy by ship count with over 350 ships, while the US has around 290, but the US fleet is more advanced. Air Force. The US has over 13,300 military aircraft, including the advanced F-22 and F-35 stealth fighters. China has around 3,200 military aircraft, with its latest J-20 stealth fighter competing with US jets. Nuclear and hypersonic weapons. The US has 5,428 nuclear warheads, while China has around 500, but China is rapidly expanding its arsenal. Both nations are developing hypersonic missiles, capable of evading current defense systems. China shocked the world by testing a hypersonic glide vehicle in 2021, raising concerns over US missile defenses. Global military presence. The US has over 750 military bases in more than 80 countries, ensuring global dominance. China has a more regional approach, focusing on military expansion in the South China Sea and building bases in Africa and the Indian Ocean. The US still holds the edge in military technology, global reach, and nuclear capability. However, China is rapidly modernizing and could challenge US dominance in the Indo-Pacific. So, who is the real superpower? The US leads in economic size, military strength, and cutting-edge technology. But China's rapid growth, massive manufacturing power, and advancements in AI and military tech make it a serious competitor. If China maintains its high growth rate, it could surpass the US in GDP by 2035-2040. The US still dominates in global influence, finance, and military reach. The real battle will be in AI, space, and next-gen warfare. What do you think? Will China overtake the US as the world's leading superpower? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more global insights.